What's going on? How we doing? How we doing? Yeah.
Dog sucks.
IKNX.
Dash, they let you back on?
Eh?
Yeah. She let you back in here?
Yeah, she's no longer with us.
I,
I took the DT approach on that.
I was gonna say use DT.
As in, I hired DT. Well, we had a private conversation last night. He drove down here.
Are we saying the wife's gone now?
Yeah, but for clarification, since I am live, I am joking. Don't need the FBI showing up to my house today.
Oh, come on, we already had the FAA yesterday.
You guys have shares on IKNX? The heck's this thing all about?
No, we do not.
Did it open all the way up here? Because this candle is red and it finished at the top of the candle. How is this even possible?
It was bolted for news or something. What
So
is
IKNX.
it opened at 17. Wait, I'm confused because it looks like the candle is engulfed, but it says it closed at 1525. Is that confusing to anybody else?
It was halted for news, then it opened, then it dropped, then it went back up.
Yeah, but look at the candle. The first candle. It looks like it's engulfed to the upside, but yet it's red. And it says it closed at 1525, not at 1775. That doesn't make any sense looking at that candle.
Yeah, mine shows it opened at 1775 and closed at 1441. My little.
Fuck.
Oh, really? Are you on 1 minute or 2 minute?
1 minute.
Okay. I mean, but that candle, the way it's should be green.
Yes, it should.
Yeah.
I might have to go off. First.
But it's definitely wrong though, because the way that the candle itself is wrong, because it shouldn't look like that. There should be a topping tail all the way back down to 1525, not engulf like that.
Seriously can't think. Oh my god, that's what they show.
It just died.
Why is it doing that to me?
I don't
what I want. Oh, this dog is so annoying.
That's that noise cancellation. You wouldn't hear it.
I can't imagine I wouldn't hear that. I can't imagine.
Dude, you'd be surprised. My wife will literally stand in the doorway, which is 7, maybe 8 feet away, and she has to scream for me to hear her.
And watch, and then catch you looking at inappropriate things on Google.
That is the bad thing about noise cancellation is you don't know somebody's coming. Now at night, I will literally take my left ear off and I only have one earphone on.
That was so
Yeah,
funny.
the funniest thing that's ever happened live on chat, dude.
She was playing along. She didn't give a shit.
Just hearing her in the background. Oh, 1250, here it
yeah.
comes, dude. Oh, it did it now. Why'd it do it now, Jag?
I don't know.
Oh,
Vash?
that was
Vash?
the move. That was it.
Morning, Thomas.
Say she didn't care, but the way she said that and what we heard, she cared.
It was so funny.
I don't know because we're pretty open with each other, and she didn't give a shit. Because I even asked her afterwards if it bothered her, and she said no. And we've been pretty open about that kind of stuff.
Just looking at chicks, huh?
But guns.
She knows I look at that stuff. I'm a guy.
Vash, your reply should have been, well, at least it's not guys.
I don't know. She might actually be more comfortable with that.
Should have been in. Oh my God, this dog! Please come back early.
1 minute. 20 seconds.
What is your issue?
Yep. Good luck, everybody.
Yeah, let's get it.
I still have all kinds of stuff to do today, so hoping to get some good plays here early.
INKX YOLO longs for
There
me
goes
for now.
space dropping a little bit.
There's the bell. Good luck. And there goes the SPY to all-time highs.
FHL makes me mad, man. That already did what I wanted it to do.
It's going up now.
A little bit I wanted already, so not too interested. Oh my God, this dog is the one that makes me go insane, guys.
SPY is at all-time highs.
Spike's going crazy.
Say 425.99 was the high. And just passed it. Watching SNCR would like a lot more.
I think we actually have shorts on that, but
SNCR up. Want way more.
Yeah, I would want at least like a 345, 350 test. Go, baby, go.
space. Did you get space?
No.
Order cancelled.
I didn't actually mean to click that. So thankfully I had the price up there. It's a misclick.
ATOS MOXC in sum. ATOS is ad from yester.
Stop talking.
This Moxie is crazy. Come on, blow up. Goes Alf again. That actually might really break out if it gets over the highs from yesterday. Daily would support it. Might be one you're interested in, Devin.
One sec.
Alf. It's got a really good breakout pattern.
Move footer, man.
IKNX done with it.
Space.
SNCR, I'm looking for 350. Uxin, I'm looking for 450. ATOS, I might actually be interested in too, around 850. It'd be a double top though. I'd probably want to see what it does there. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, decent line, 350 for SNCR.
Zappage jumped to 1248.
This is so weird. SNCR, I got 3 candles. On BLNK, I have 2 candles. Both 2-minute charts.
Does BLNK have any volume? I would assume it does. It's popular stock.
Yeah, it's 165K per candle.
That's weird. I was just thinking maybe for 2 minutes it didn't trade, but like when you click on the candles, are the times consecutive?
Yeah, I guess BLNK didn't trade for the first 2 minutes.
There you go. I was getting ready to check it myself, and that's the only thing I could think of. Not getting any follow through.
No, I jumped in SNCR at the top of the first candle there, and obviously I took it off.
There goes Alf. Tried to help you, Devin.
I'm not trading all put. Help yourself and take it.
I don't trade breakouts.
Well,
You wish you would have traded that one though. I'll tell you that.
I didn't even look at it, so.
Yeah, you don't want to then. Would have been a nice one. Immediate resolution. I don't trade breakouts.
Don't call me.
Look at TDD. Look at.
I was trying to help you, jerk.
TTD.
Yeah, it pulled back.
I swear to God, I'm gonna throw this dog out a window.
It pulled back almost $2, and now it's up $1.30.
What was that, Brad?
Y'all are feisty this morning.
It's just Devin. He's in a mood because of
It's
his
just
dog.
that, and he's putting up with that dog, and
Nah,
Cranky Devin.
you know how he gets.
God, but it stood up.
Wow.
Any other day, he would have been like, "Ooh, wow, that was a great move."
It's gonna be a short week if you keep this up.
Alright, hold on. I got another dog coming. I'll be back.
It's gonna be a short life for the dog, apparently.
DT, you gotta work overtime this week. First you got Amanda, now you got Josette and Arthur.
Say DT's not even here. He must be on his way to Vegas.
He's on his way back up. He's going back up the turnpike.
I didn't even see that SNCR went up to 350. Oh, the heck? Missed that.
At least set him up with a safe house till the heat blows over. We don't hear her anywhere.
Man, I was ready to trade today. Nada.
Alright, guys.
Just at the amazing move it made.
You got us. You got something to say. Oh
Hey,
my
we all
God.
have our trading styles. We were just trying to help
gotta
you.
Go off. I can't listen to you guys and the dogs, dude. I'll be on them.
Choosing the dogs over us, huh? I guess you didn't really have a choice with them.
He doesn't.
I'm outside. You're moving. You don't dare piss off your neighbors.
Is he gonna have a yard where he's moving? We didn't ask that.
You could rent that.
You go rent a yard. PSFE setting up for something, but it's a big company. You know it's slow if Brian hasn't jumped in anything besides like his usual stuff. What did that INKX do? IKNX. Oh, that died. Or, well, for now. Man. This PSFE is getting kind of interesting. Oxen trying to break that high. Yeah, it's a big company. That's the only problem. I'm trying to... It's a daily... Oh, it's a newer IPO. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
PSFE Bigger Co. UXIN stalking it. $13.40s fast though would be hard to pass. UXIN also stalking.
If PSFE like blew up there to 13.30, I was ready. It just kind of did a typical big company move there.
All right, Steve, stop looking at TTD. You don't want to trade a stock that expensive. So find something else.
Yeah, Steve, come on. Go, more.
Which one? What?
PSFE. I wanted more. No. I just wanted that one more little pop of like the real FOMO. That was a nice push, but it wasn't FOMO. I wanted that squeeze.
No, maybe you'll get it on this candle.
Yeah, but it already pulled back all the way to 13, which is what I would have been looking for.
It was 1303. Come on. That's not a pullback.
I mean, for this company, it is right now. It's a big company, man. It's harder to get them big flushes.
Oh, you're getting the flush now.
It's all getting bought up, too, because of how strong it is.
Is PSFE.
It's so different sitting in front of a computer instead of on my phone.
I think you sounded different today.
Oh, no, I'm just inside the house. There's the flush.
No flush yet. Oh,
Outside.
there
I'm
it
not
is.
outside in the truck with the lawnmowers
Is it
all
what?
around me. Hey, should've gone.
Frustrating. I was ready, but I was sticking to my guns there. I said 1340s is what I was looking for. I mean, I could have started it, but
aggressive.
Asterisk in.
That's aggressive.
Well, you know, when it's something that's not your perfect setup, you gotta have boundaries.
Never heard of those.
Moxie, holy shit.
What's that now? Oh, 2480. geez.
Look at that move.
You guys interested in gravy? GRVI?
That is crazy.
That thing is, it's been doing that all week.
Way better.
Well, Moxie.
Carrot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just you think it's gonna do one thing, you look away, it goes completely the other way. And not by just a little. It just blows through it.
GRVI is just grinding. I can scratch that.
Yep, that's what PSFE's doing now too. That's what I'm saying. Like I could have scalped that, but that's all it would have been.
FUV novel.
Nothing else really moving.
Yeah, FUV doesn't look bad. I wish I would have seen the move. It looks slow though.
Yeah. I wish I would have held on to my Nike from a couple of years ago.
76 KTV there.
I don't remember why I sold it.
So quiet without Devin. I don't mean that in a bad way. I'm just saying.
I was gonna say, pretend that's a bad thing that we need him here. Don't say it like it's a good thing.
I don't know. It's very peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Is he in the room listening or no?
Mm-mm.
I think he totally shut us out.
Yeah, he's mute and deafened.
Driving him crazy.
Beth, you can bring him back in the room. Just move him back in the room.
No, you can't unmute and deafen. He did that himself. He's in the room. He just can't hear or talk.
We did that to Lance. Didn't we do that to Lance?
I don't think it undoes the thing. Yeah, let's find out. Yeah, it doesn't do it.
It depends which way you mute yourself, I think. Because there's two
Well, yeah.
ways you can.
Yeah, like if you right click and do it inside the channel, you can probably do what you just thought. But if you do it down the bottom next to your name, I'm pretty sure it doesn't work that way because that's like a master button. Oh, sad face PSFE. At least you got it, Jag. Good job. Oh, you started that thing early.
Yeah, I got a little bit of it. I got very little bit. I got down right under 13. I said, I'm done. I don't trust it.
Yeah, it's the bigger companies, man. They can be tricky.
I'm on leftovers on PSFE.
Man, I feel like an idiot. I'm the only one that didn't trade it.
What'd you get in at?
1303.
Yep.
I feel like such an idiot. I just wanted that 1320 pop and I was in. I like that move through 13. I wanted more. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm just being picky, I guess. Oh well.
Looks like we should have taken gravy. What's that?
Fucking killing this PSFE right now.
Fuck, even Devin took it? God. I'm just gonna shut it down. Like, holy shiz nuts.
Gave the dog the bones and they finally shut the F up, dude. Oh my god. That was
lock
the
and
most
trail.
annoying thing I've ever done.
Now Brian's rubbing it in.
D, where'd you get in at? 13 what?
My average is 1301. I started this thing at like right below 1290.
Oh, so you wrote it up?
I hit it freaking hard at the top, dude, and I got in this thing 900.
Oh my god. Why? I'm the only one.
When it rejected 20 again, that's when I jumped in and I just got a bad starter.
I got a bad starter too because I started at 12, like 88 or something. But
All right, Bash, you and I had two bounces.
Nah, I mean,
TOS hitting
I got
pops,
300 left
playing
on
the
this
daily
thing.
there.
it being a bigger company, I wanted more. I don't trust those. That's an 8 bill, almost 9 bill market cap. I've seen those grind.
breakthrough VWAP.
ATOS making a little run.
Hey, don't start again, dude. Just, oh, this dog, I swear to God, I'm going to have to tell her I can't watch her anymore.
Wow, TTD over 78. That thing's gonna go to 100 in a couple weeks.
There we go, there we go, there we go. Dude, I'm just... I'll ride this thing down, I guess.
Alright, Besh, what do we got?
If we can go back down to 1220 a little bit.
I don't know. I'm just gonna get annoyed listening to everybody with this stupid whatever ticker it was.
Oh, gravy down to 825 from 9.
Oh, look at this thing, dude. She still wants to fall, looks like.
Devin, this is me politely asking for you to enjoy your trade in silence.
Still riding leftovers.
Trade elf. Screw you. PSFE, make it a killing.
All right, I can't listen to you guys and the dogs at the same time, so I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to mute the dogs. All right, I'll be back. All right, I gave the dog a bone. We should be all right.
Stop calling your wife a dog.
Oh, that was fun.
Devin, check your Discord messages. Yeah, I gave you a bone.
Oh.
Yeah, I gave you a bone.
No, I got that.
It's just one trade. It's not like that one trade would have been my entire day, so that just goes to show you how annoyingly slow it is right now.
Also, the move wasn't even that huge.
I know. That's why I'm so confused. Everyone got it, but it's just because it's so slow. Everyone's like, I need something to trade.
The move up was nice. I'm saying the move back down, it really didn't give me, like, I didn't get a dollar out of it or nothing. I just had big shares.
Yeah, but it gave you like the full move back.
Yeah, almost.
I think that's what Devin looks at so hard with those is the total move.
In dollar amount.
Yes.
Yeah. Which doesn't make any sense to me, but he's stuck on it, so I let it be.
It works for me. I don't want to.
Yeah, it's I mean, yeah. Yeah, we've had this discussion a million times. I'm not having it again.
I know. It works for me. I make money.
Yeah, yep. Exactly. That's what matters.
$1 on way.
Okay, FHL, I'm not interested in that. What are you watching, Jag?
FFHL. I'm in it, actually.
Oh, yeah. And that might move all the way back down to 1239. I don't know. That one already made the move that I wanted, so I just...
I don't know if it's true, but it says it's a 1 mil float.
That's what I see, too. Another reason I was a little shaking on.
Just FYI.
Yeah.
My God, Joseph. You're the most annoying dog on the planet.
Alpha on a tear. Going to all-time highs. That wasn't a dig, Devin. That was just me saying that I was watching it.
Dude, I'm so happy you picked the third set. Gee.
Are you going to have a yard at the new place?
Yes.
I didn't know if like she was in like a condo or something,
No,
or is it like an actual house?
we got a bigger house than me.
Oh,
That is trading up.
yeah.
Well, we're
MPV
moving into
locked
her
in
house, not
trail.
mine.
I feel like all my trades lately have been sitting here waiting until like 10 o'clock, like all week. It's very abnormal.
Dude, my frustration this morning was so high with these dogs.
We could
No,
tell.
we couldn't tell.
It was...
She won't shut up. It's just like non-effing stop since 3 a.m. Dude, this dog's been barking.
You know how you get mad at
After that.
something else when something else is the real reason you're upset? Like that was how we felt. We felt like you're collateral.
Frustrated with the dogs, and then you're going, you should shut it up, should shut it up, I'm just like, shut up. Oh my god, I can't get
And
you
then
to shut up either.
and now you're just blaming us again instead of saying sorry. What a guy.
No apologies, you got mad at me for a detail, so that's to you.
I wasn't mad. I was just mocking.
Details,
I could care less. That one trade is not gonna define me.
Oh, cool. Why?
Oh yeah, Thomas, that looks sweet.
Yeah.
Details.
All right, so I'm letting y'all know. The next time I say I up my share size, just ask me if my account justifies me doing that.
Did you up your share size on this one?
No,
ANCR added
I upped it the other day, and obviously my account does not justify it. I just upped it because I've been on a roll, so I had the loss in the account to cover the upsize.
Gotcha.
But my account didn't justify it, so I was trading scared. This morning, jumped in on this one, no problem, can hold because trading without fear of losing.
Yeah, just like we said yesterday, man. There's
Yeah.
those levels where all of a sudden you're not trading with confidence because you're in too big or.
My problem isn't even. I was gonna say my problem's not even the size or the money. It's just the fear of losing. Like I just don't want to lose. Which is kind of funny coming from me because I have no problem like cutting at high of day, but at the same time, just the fear of having to cut at high of day is what annoys me.
MOXC dollar
We were talking
runway
about that
will
yesterday.
be
when we were
trail
out
in a
there.
few.
We all have our different things, you know. Mine's a good job on that. Trade. Still in it?
No, I'm out. I should have stayed. I got out at 13:28 or something.
Oh gosh.
Oh, dude, that's going to 7.
Money though, because it had a nice drop, but it could have made a lot more.
Yeah, I mean it's gonna go to 7.
ATOS kicking back there.
Yesterday, like my thing is like when I'm down too much
MPV on
in
a
trade,
trail.
that's when I start not thinking right. You know, we all have that moment
Otherwise
where we
cashed
don't
up.
think right, and that's mine's if I'm in too heavy and I'm down too much. I get that, you know, deer in the headlights feeling of oh crap.
What do you do in that situation? Do you fight or flight? Do you just like do you want to add more or do you find yourself wanting to just get out of the trade?
It depends. Like now I'm in a better space, so now I flight. But before I used to just freaking just keep going at it, you know. And now I've gotten over that. Hopefully, I haven't been in a
Yeah.
situation that was that bad again yet. But
Yeah, because that can be dangerous.
it's when you get down that $400 or $500, then I'm like, holy crap, this is way more than I like to lose.
Yeah, and then that might not even be the end of it because once you're in that mindset and then it rips. Yeah.
Choices, you know.
Yeah.
That's why I'm keeping my share size at levels that I'm kind of comfortable with. And mainly it's just keeping my losses comfortable. Like I was comfortable with where I was at on that one. I was down $110. That was not that big of a deal.
West
If we got
Northwest basically
above that high
NTB.
day, I was out of that.
Lance, you still in FFHL?
No.
Oh man, did you get any of that move?
Yeah, I got the whole first candle drop.
Oh, you missed the last dollar?
Novel.
Yeah, I just lost dollar.
All right. Hey, at least you got the 46.
Yeah.
This last dollar, no big deal.
Oh, it kills me.
I can see why, dude. We both want it.
Yep. Yep. If it had more shares, I'd be in here.
Which one?
Where?
WNW. Whiskey North Whiskey.
9K now.
8K.
Wish I would dig in that FHL with you.
Yeah, ditto.
I would have been holding for down here where it is too. I mean, on my end said if it fails VWAP's coming back down here.
Do you have shorts on STRM?
Yeah, we actually do. It's halted.
1.6.
I don't know, like STRM?
STRM halted.
M as in Mary.
It
Yep.
just halted.
Stream.
$2.
Dude, I think we ought to be YOLO long and out.
Actually gonna live.
And rotated its
Sounds like a
float.
good plan.
Oh, did that get the all-time highs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's there now.
Previous high 1651.
Well, the pre-market, it was right here, 1725.
Oh, was it up here in the market?
Yeah. Not our pre-market. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it 2 days ago. It's crazy, man. This off is a wild card. Alright, now that odds are together, don't need much better.
Oh, look, WNW. We tried to go higher and got rejected.
CVM spread nasty.
Oh, Lord Jesus. One dog I can handle, 2 dogs I don't think I can handle them.
Oh, now. Hold on.
What's that?
Look at FFHL.
They gone lower.
So like
It's
10
gonna go
bucks?
back. It's gonna go back to the pre-market low. It's gonna go back to 9.
Good.
So why'd you get out of that, Jeff?
I wasn't in it.
Oh, he didn't trade FF.
I
West
traded
Northwest
it.
lunch money on the way.
I think he just saw the big drop and he got out.
Because that 1 million float started eating away in my head. Well, what am I in this for? I just need to make some money.
I'm not down for this.
What's the imbalance on STRM?
Is 224.
No.
That sucks.
I know, I was hoping for like 3.
We just had a pop the other day to what, 385? I
Yeah.
left it up. I was like, yeah, baby.
Yeah, I left it up too. I mean, I'm still gonna watch it, but that could be like a halt fest kind of thing. Looks like it was halted already, right at open. Then it basically just didn't trade, or maybe that just didn't trade.
Unhalted. See if it gives you. Well, it kind of did get filler.
Oh, Luke, you suck.
Oh, IKNX just dropped and halted, huh?
Did it?
Yeah, it opened and dropped and halted. It dropped
really?
like 250 and just dropped.
Damn. What's that one? We don't short from that one, but.
No, damn. That point's under a
2.60
million.
to 2.80 would be real fun STRM.
On that. 22K. This is the float on that.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Alt fest though probably.
Yeah, ATOS was another one. I was hoping that thing like flew up through 850.
Volume on this FFHL just kind of like said bye.
Yeah.
There goes Alf. Later, Gator.
This has been fun. I'm probably not going to stick around a little bit today with these dogs being like this.
They sound like they're being good on our end.
Yeah, we don't hear them.
They're attacking each other right now in the living room, which is fine. But
Oh my God.
Oh,
TTD's gonna go
SCRM
red now.
opened. I didn't realize it
It
was.
opened.
Which one?
Wow, TTD's red now after going up to 78.
shut
Yep.
up.
Yeah, it's under 75 now.
Oh my God, we have shorts on that too.
I don't know if I trust the shorts on it.
STRM, you're supposed to go way higher first. Well, it might now after this pullback. There's a spider on my wall.
Why do we have dogs?
I asked myself that question too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my lord, dude. That
Well,
was
I got suckered into them.
well, I got freaking trade, man. I was starting to think I wasn't gonna get a trade in. I was like, they're just going. I couldn't even think. He barked so freaking loud and non-stop. I could not literally think. Forward for the rest of the summer, that Beyonce will be out of work, so watch this little.
Bastards.
Ow.
She get fired?
Summertime, she taught a week of summer school, and then my ex-wife was supposed to actually go on vacation last week, but now it was this week. She changed it, so I had to keep both the dogs.
How many shares on this round?
No, she changed her plans? That never happened.
AUUDHTV.
You guys have shares on AUUD?
Nope.
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember that one.
We don't either.
Take those away from us pretty quick.
Come on,
You go into your safe place, Tim, underneath the desk.
I had to get the spider.
There goes stream under 2.
FUV trying Hive Day.
40-ish interesting.
I was not expecting to not make any trades today. It would be very awkward. I like how it says west northwest. That's awesome.
SNCR dollar on way.
Wait till this afternoon. Usually do better then, especially on a Friday.
SE to NW around the rock, over the river west northwest from there and boom.
Didn't work like I thought it was going to. Come on, EXPR. Do it.
What are you watching, Jaggedy?
Alf.
Think still flying?
No, it keeps going back down and touching the 9 or going just under and going back up. I'm debating.
Yeah, that's just one I hated the way it's traded. I mean, today it's actually trading the cleanest it's ever traded.
I just have a bad feeling if I get in it.
It's just gonna drop like a rock. It's another one, dude. It's like a 3 mil float. I got 4 million. I've been kind of trying to avoid those lately.
There goes AUUD trying to go for highs.
If CHS could get actually any volume into it, it could be interesting. But it's not going. No, it's at like 750, but it's trading under 50K. The candle. The last candle was 13,000.
Alpha is just setting up to go crazy. Is that what you're talking about?
Down at the bottom at what, 46? Is it 48 now?
Oh, yeah.
It's starting to extend away from the 9 now.
So what are you looking to get in space at?
To add back. Stupid SSR.
It's a little tricky, dude. I don't like those highs way up here, 49 something. It's kind of in the
Carrot
middle
for
of the
the
range. Not much for me to do. If I would have got it down here, like at 46.85, it would have been a good entry. After it kind of made that wick and then got above it, I'd have to risk off of like 65, 50,
Hey,
55.
saying space is the most active stock today. It's only got 45 mil traded.
Yeah, I got news this morning that they could take passengers to space.
Well, I'm just saying, but it still only has 45 mil traded. I feel like that's kind of low for being the most active stock.
Yeah, that's true. You have to be the most.
Yeah, usually we have something that's like 200 million already.
Watching FUBO looks like a breakout on the daily.
Pretty good.
What was it? FO what?
FUBO. Fubo.
That one's accepted.
Yeah.
Definitely taking that.
I mean, I don't see it. Oh, Fubo.
Not wrong.
No.
ATOS looking for hog.
The only way I can go, so it's a no-go.
34.30 maybe.
FUBO.
Find another damn trade, man.
34.70, something like that. Yeah. 30, I'd probably get in.
Oh, thank God the dogs are being calm, man. Honestly, I think having the other dogs here helps. Just versus barks and everything.
Yep, 34.30 would have worked.
Ah, you bitch, I missed you.
Damn, you called that out and didn't get it.
Shorts.
I was watching it, dude. It wasn't moving.
When it made that pop there to the highs, I was like, "Ooh, here we go," because I drew that line on the daily.
A blink of an eye.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah. I was more so saying, "Here we go," as in we're gonna get the 50 pop, but it got absolutely rejected.
Exactly. And that's what I was waiting for. When that pop happened, I was like, ooh, and then it's down. I'm like, you fuck.
I was right there with you.
Oh,
ATOS.
Yeah, there goes ATOS.
ATOS, if you got shares.
We got shares, right?
We don't have those. Don't be silly. I would be.
I'd like to see an
they
actual
brought
pop
daily,
out of
man.
it.
That thing's just been up.
Yeah.
You got no chill.
I'd like to see this up near 9.
And that's a lot of days in a row with green candles.
Yes.
That's 10 days. Today's the 10th day of green candles.
2 full weeks, 2 full trading weeks.
Crazy. Don't normally see that.
Somebody forgot to turn the algo off.
Right? I'm like, oh, we left that on. Crap.
Oh shit, we're billionaires. We made it too obvious. SEC's gonna get us.
We didn't know we did it.
If we can get the pop up to 9, I'd be interested, but it's just grinding. Or at least like over 888-ish.
Oh yeah, I'm just glad I got a decent trade in, man. That was a not the funnest morning for me.
HFC could be interesting if it gets some volume into it right now.
HFC?
Yep.
Oh wow, that's straight up, huh? No volume.
No.
6,000, dude. I can't do it.
Well, that's what I said. Decent volume. If we could get a pop here with some good volume into it.
I don't think I can take that, dude.
PBF. It's kind of volume out of nowhere, though.
Yeah, I can take that. I don't know.
Just a little lower on the volume.
I'm just gonna put HFC off to the side. Not watching it a little bit.
Funny part of me wants to take that, but then another part of me is like, hey, that's no volume.
PBF
Yeah.
Big Co.
I gotta fucking follow the rules on that one and just say no.
That's a big float. It's 159 million too.
Nah, I gotta say no to that.
PBF's basically the same thing.
No, that has volume.
Not, I mean, a little bit more.
Which one?
PBF.
PDF?
There.
Yeah. Oh wow, what is this? That's gotta be news on these things, right?
Order filled.
Oh, Lord. This dog for adoption while the ex-wife's gone. I don't know where she went. God, I hope my dog's not that annoying for her.
So if an ATOS got up there through that 888, that's what I was looking for. Took a starter in PBF.
Which one?
Where'd you get it at?
PBF 28. I hit it when it was at 31, but it dropped as I hit it.
Yeah, I'm hoping for like 45. Not now.
Well, no, it's fine. It seems like it was struggling here. There you go.
A little better on that one.
AFND at the mix, getting a little top here. Alpha Foxtrot Michael Delta is a July $10 call sweep. AFND.
Order filled.
Did they go to lunch on PBF?
You think so?
They got it up in there. Yeah, just leave it there. Good spot for it.
It is a big company, so.
Mercury reduces rates in New Jersey and in Georgia.
VWAP's catching up pretty fast.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Keep going, ATOS.
Order filled.
This one with you, Vesh.
PBF.
Maybe.
Your average has got to be better than mine.
58.
Yeah, I'm at 44.
I got out too early.
Me too.
Or not like.
Oh shit, Steve was in it.
So
Crap.
I mean, it's not like bad, but.
It's really pressing my
Why do you
luck
think
there.
Yeah, I was about to jump in until Steve said something.
Why do you guys think it
I
went
was-
to 1770?
I was green for a split second.
Why do you think it went to 1770?
Y'all had to get scared and cover your shares, make it pop back up.
Yep. all of our covers. That drove the price.
Knew it was you guys.
Which
Okay,
area?
I'm out. I'm out. So you guys are good.
Oh, like 17, that should be cool. I was waiting for that one big volume push. It finally came in. Go. Oh, give me a big drop. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
Oh, there goes ATOS.
ACXT, Accurate Pharmaceutical, Dr. Charlie X-ray Papa Series opening at
Order cancelled.
ideal price at $6. That's Dr. Charlie X-ray.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that. I'm done with that one. One in, one out. I kind of like this.
Order
man.
filled.
I wish I was running a little bigger, but a little nervous with the way it was running. Oh, Joe said, man, you gotta calm down, dog. He's like, what's that going?
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Looks like I sold that one a little early.
Not as early as me.
Oh, Jesus. These dogs today, man, that make me want to trade.
Come on, give us that drop. Give us that 9 test.
They're being so annoying, it's hard to freaking focus. It's unbelievable.
Go all the way down. Ooh.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Take
Look
some
at that.
off
You selling it,
there.
Vesh?
In what? PBF?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still have some of it.
Damn. Nice.
You hear that? Oh my God. I'm not upset that you're getting more than I am at.
Order filled.
I'm liking you
PBF,
and
thanks.
being happy for you as your friend.
Thanks, man.
Alp just did another big dollar push.
I can't even look at that.
I only have 100 left on this? Oh, thought I had more than that.
Come on, ATOS, don't.
EXPR.
I hope PBF goes all the way to 1630 for you, Vash.
Order cancelled.
That would be cool.
Possible.
EXPR.
I would just make my stop above 1712 now and call it a day.
Order filled.
You got some out here at the bottom.
I'm looking for the 9 flush. I took some off. I'm trying to take more off under 9. My average is like, it's 908. It's not that great.
Dude, I think that's coming all the way down to 1630. I'm telling you, bro.
Oh yeah, I took more off there at 17 on PBF. I'm trying to hold the rest for the big move.
If I was in that still, 1712 would be my out. Other than that, I'm not touching. 16, 35.
This ATOS, I really wanted the 9 flush, but we're not getting it. EXPR, by the way, if you have shares.
He came up and tapped me out. My leftovers at break even.
Special today. I love him so much.
Vesh, you're an ATOS Alpha?
Yeah, I'm in ATOS, leftovers PBF, and I just started EXPR.
What's your price in ATOS?
9 right here, 908.
In EXPR?
ATOS starter and EXPR is 671.
Which one do you want more help on?
EXPR I feel pretty confident in for now. ATOS I really want this 9 flush.
All right, get ready to go long on ATOS.
No, I'm still short, you jerk. This is going to be my last attempt at the 9 break here.
There you go.
Order cancelled.
Man, it wouldn't hold under there. I took most of it off. I'm just going to put the leftovers at highs. That's so nice. I took most of it off there, though. Come on, EXPR. Give us the 50 test. There we go.
Order filled.
I took EXPR there.
EXPR Toxoxo not fitting.
Order filled.
$EXPR.
Oh, ATOS, I got stopped.
Karen.
That was an annoying one, man. Through 950, I might try this again. It's just, is it just the pussy stuff? Yeah.
Dude, I can't get the flushes on one.
You want me back?
Yeah, ATOS is being a little butt.
I'd like to see it push to 90. Are you still in it?
Mm-hmm.
980.
Oh, not ATOS. No. Yeah, I want the 950 pop. That's what I said if it goes through. Did it just retest there? I feel like that's higher than it was. EXPR. I was hoping for the 950 or 650 test, but it wouldn't give it to me. Ah, I missed it. Putting in a range order. Damn it. Did you get it, Thomas?
No, it was one more out of it.
I would have probably been in on that pop. Damn it. Literally wasn't. I was on the next chart down. PBF, let's go.
Bro.
I have my order at 6:55. About to just take it here though and be happy with it.
Something's primed to give up the whole move.
Order filled.
I just took it there. I'll be happy with it. Pretty good trade.
Bag, you still in there?
Oh, good test high a day, ATOS. What the fuck's wrong with you?
ATOS. What's wrong with it? It sucks. One of those old school little floaters.
EXPR back to the highs. Thank you, Oliver. EXPR through 7 would be interesting. This ATOS, man, I think I'm just gonna stay away from it. It's getting a little crowded. It's not really making clean moves at all.
ATOS personally gonna stay away, getting crowded, very grindy type action happening now.
They're being weird.
Huge FOMO pop through 10, I will re-eval.
Hey.
Alf at 19.
I'll flip at $19.
Yep. That thing's been trading very clean. I'm really surprised you didn't want nothing to do with it.
Definitely clean it today. No, I mean the rest of the time when that thing moved, it was never clean. It was always very poppy and.
Yeah, nah, it's moving clean today.
I've literally just kind of ignored it when it moves now because it hasn't been trading clean. This is the first day I've seen this. Go back and look at teaming it on all of the other charts. It sucks. I guess I just expected more of the same, you know? Yeah, like it's so windy up and down, it just looks like trash over here. This one just looks hella clean.
Yeah, it does. Like literally every time it kind of cup and handled and just flew.
But before it would be like big drops, big pops, big drops, big pops.
Yeah.
but the second you mentioned that, I'm just like, man, I hate that sucks.
Look at that thing go. It's on a tear.
Watching the SBCE up here.
If it gets one of them random pops right now, it's probably going to halt. It's getting there. 2044. It's not that far away.
Talking about Alf.
Alpha. Yeah. Well, ATOS I'm not interested in anymore. That thing is, I don't know what that thing's doing. EXPR, I wanted it to go back through 7. Not back through, but through 7.
ATOS is done for the day. It's going back home.
I mean, it can. I'm not going to do anything about it. I'm a little frustrated with that one because I actually felt pretty confident and I was building size into it, and it just never really worked.
Long space.
Good luck, sir.
Somewhat tough there. I'm gonna try to leave this in here. Kind of have a base. Which I always say I'm gonna try to do, and I never do. I think I can do it on this one. Oh, let's go space.
What's your average on it, Devin?
36. Down the leftover. See if I can add that.
What's up, DM? Yeah, I think we're all doing pretty well. It was a very boring open, but
PBF out all.
Oh man, I was waiting for it to kind of come back towards 50, and it just didn't, so I had to buy it higher. Oh crap. Now I can't take anything off. I'm trying to leave this base in here so I can add to it. Gives me a chance. Good lord. Going straight up.
ALF, Alfie, here is at the high of 1988 of 54%. Alfie, I'm a fast drive ALF.
This might become a short for you guys.
space.
For them, they got shorts.
Yeah, it's extending them like crazy.
But it looks grindy. There's no FOMO in it.
There goes Alf up to 20.
Yeah, I've almost hit 20.
ATOS back to highs.
So stop barking, dude. Oh, that's just that, of course. Joseph. It's okay. It's okay. Easy. Yeah. Easy. Everything's good. It's okay. One space. Looking for a place to add. Just stop barking. Hop out here for a minute.
I'm in out.
Good luck.
I'm out of.
So you're out of health.
Yep.
Yeah, DM, it was a rather slow start. Some things picking up though, like Alf, ATOS is moving, space. I don't know what's PBF doing. Yeah, PBF will probably go lower, which will annoy me at the end of the day for not following my rule, but can't really be too upset about it. What was the other one?
Why did somebody
EXPR.
put a snake in the wall of their house?
Watch.
Okay.
RTL will be in executive on CBC says it will be cases on what shift and what things is to make sure they will be coming up right.
It's crazy. You wait all morning until 10:15 to get my first trade, and then within 5 minutes, or well, 14 minutes, I was almost at Q. Patience, man. Patience sucks, but sometimes it's what's needed.
I think mice are in this guy's house.
DKNG DraftKings July 52 falls active now on DKNG.
Isn't that crazy, Jag? At first, I was like, at first I thought he was gonna put the snake in the wall and then like go to the other side of the wall, and there was gonna be like this huge habitat for it.
Yeah.
But then the mice started coming out, and I was like, oh.
Just putting a snake in the wall to eat the mice.
To chase them out.
Yeah, chased them all out.
Where's the video? Space.
Thomas said, I'm not missing PBF. I'm still going, son. Let's go.
That was the PBF was a chase, and I was like, dude, what are you doing? So I just got out.
Yeah, that was a bit of a chase. Not a bad one, though. It reminds me of, do you remember Albert Ding?
Yeah.
That was how he traded. He would wait for the top, and then he'd wait for that first candle to come down and break the top candle. PBF is like a perfect example of that. I feel like it's hard for those, but those are more of like what you would do for like slower grinders at the top, I guess. Would be like ones that are fast, they extend, but they don't necessarily give you that, you know, that FOMO pop that you're looking for. Because with our strategy, usually you're getting in at the top of a huge candle, so you can't wait for the bottom of that candle to break to start a position. But something like PBF, where it makes a huge move, and then it kind of, like, as you can see, each candle kind of got smaller and smaller, and then on the break of that top green candle would have been a good entry. That was always what he did.
Right.
Which is a pretty solid risk reward, because then you have high of day, right? You risk off high of day, or like a little bit above it or whatever, and you're in what you would think is a pretty solid spot, and that way you're never worried about the front side move either getting you. But I started to find out that that's very like 55-45, because a lot of times you will get that bounce, test high of day again, and then, you know, what it does from there, who knows. Oh, WNR or WNW again. That's, oh, we have no shares. That's the one that Brian took shares on it when we didn't really have any.
Dude, 10,000 shares just disappeared off of that one.
West Northwest again. 1K shares.
I wonder who it was.
He goes, we know who it was.
HTB. Was 11K. B took M all.
There's ATOS finally possibly giving up. Got under the 9 for the first time. Yeah, it looks, ATOS looking a little heavy. Maybe a
on this pop.
Bounce to 960.
Space is running again. Just went up about $1.
SNCR 3.70 plus please. IKNX is prob and avoid for most, working YOLO long there. EXRT way slow, maybe X.70 plus. $150 KTV.
Yeah, VXRT up as well. B, you never told me your average on ATOS, did you? I think you just said patience. Yeah. I was just curious so I could root for you. And I was actually curious how you worked it all the way from that overnight position. TAOP.
Alf going for high day.
I debated on getting in at the bottom of that and said, nah.
That thing might halt if it blows through 20.
Well, now I can go to 21.
Well, that's what I'm saying. The halt's at 21.05, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you imagine the people that are just hitting the buy button up here?
I know.
I mean, it used to be me back in the day. So I can't even say anything.
FUBO out all.
Yeah, you can, because you've learned not to do that.
Well, yeah, but I'm just saying, like, I understand, like, the mentality behind it. Like, you're like, oh, it's going to break 20 and go crazy. And the problem right now is that a lot of times they are. So it's feeding into them, which is a good thing, I guess. There it goes. There it doesn't go. There it goes. Devin's gonna come back. Oh my god, huge day! Huge day!
I got an Alf.
I got an Alf. Oh my god, huge day!
He's like 1 millisecond from ripping off his shirt. Like
Barking.
He isn't doing that. We're just not seeing it.
He's a millisecond away from being the third dog in the house. Ripping his shirt off, getting on all fours.
I just had one of my biggest winners in a minute, dude.
Oh my god. What ticker?
Space.
Oh.
Why were you guys thinking I would be in something else?
Yeah.
You should go watch my stream. It's probably going through right now.
You know? let go. I'm not licking it out.
Oh my god. Couldn't have been more perfect.
CHMA, volume out of nowhere.
Oh man.
And it's gonna halt.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna halt.
Or not. They're playing with it.
Playing with their food.
I actually got shorts on that one.
Yeah.
No, Devin, I was giving my best Devin impression about you coming back saying, huge day! Like, kind of thing. Literally, like, almost on cue.
That's hilarious.
Don't ever stop, Devin. That's what makes you you. It's amazing.
It's amazing. I'm not trading the CHMA with him.
No.
I'm not yet.
Nah, I didn't jump in either.
Surprised Brian didn't. Or maybe he did and he just didn't say anything yet. I feel like he would have said it by now, though.
Here, your newsletter mentioned CHMA.
490 pop right here.
I was more so thinking like 520, but or 511 at least.
Well, that wouldn't be bad either.
Sun W making a little move.
SUNW up.
I just realized it's right at that key level on the daily.
Dude, that was the best. I mean, I've held something in a long time.
It looks good because it's 3 trades, right?
My last one's one trade.
No,
That
but
was
I mean,
all-
that's all one trade.
Well, technically, I went in down here, the first entry, the first green arrow.
Yeah.
Cover, added, and I covered the rest there for a little bit of a loss. I sold the rest for a little bit of a loss on that red candle. Then that's a new entry up there by 52, and I just held that whole thing up to 53.
Yeah. Okay, so two total trades. Okay.
2 total trades, yeah.
Good trade, man. It looks solid.
I pulled him that well, but I was like, this thing's going to 53. I'm getting the full dollar out of this whole move. I took 300 shares on that and just waited for the full freaking dollar. Okay, I'm not getting out of this with less than that.
CHMA little
It's
sketch.
starting to hit, space is starting to hit fib lines I
Volume out
wrote
of
in
nowhere.
January. And the crazy thing is, it bounced off them and dropped. That's just crazy.
Alf could be that crazy one, man, that like later in the day is just that $50.
What's it at now?
It got up to 20.75. It's chilling at 20 right now.
No. Probably the one I should be in.
CHMA couple stabs.
I'm doing pretty good. man.
5.20 way better. 5.20 I will be in most likely.
Liekly.
We can always put these fib lumps on.
Did you even look at my watch list that I posted? Where'd you post it? No, I did not.
Forum. It's like the son of a thing's hitting that top fib lump before I take
I
anything.
don't see any watch list. Did you post it in the main room? I don't really do watch lists anymore, so I probably didn't. Oh, here it is. I didn't even see this, to be honest. I don't see anything on here that I traded. Or was there one earlier? You didn't post one earlier. Or are they just all doing
I'll
good?
be back.
Oh, you're saying you're a 2x goal. Nice. Very nice.
All right.
More killing it. Loving it. Oh. CHMA trying. I wish I would have seen that line on Sun W's daily at first. Totally missed that until after the fact. Probably would have took a stab at that one too. Yeah, the CHMA, I'd be interested if it wants to fly through 5 here.
Well, it's kind of interesting if it gets up to that 5 area, honestly. FHL goodbye. See if I can get one more trade out of today. I am over goal, obviously, but
Surprised you're still not watching space.
Galactic, what the high's now 52.59.
that's just coming down now.
High $75.
Yeah, but you bounced off that 9.
I don't know if I take those, man. I wait for it to make a new high.
Are those your long swings? Yeah, I can't do this.
Jag's the pullback guy.
Good
Yeah,
on you.
Yeah, I have it all watch. I'm not going anywhere. Strong for now, man. I think she's got to chill out though. Nope, or not. Wow.
And Virgin Galactic shares now popping to new highs, 53.48.
Did you get in?
Did not get Jesus. She won't chill out.
Oh, I still have so much to do. There will be a Friday night live stream tonight, by the way. I am making the 3,000 sub giveaway video today. I am also going to do a recap video today. I need to put chairs together. I need to figure out the issue with my integrated graphics. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Device manager.
Oh, this thing's strong, dude.
Display adapters. Update driver. Search automatically. Ow!
Oh, she's super strong.
Saying they're already up to date, which is no good.
What happens when you get approval? Takes people to space.
I was kind of hoping that that was the issue because there was a Windows update recently. Does not seem to be the issue. Oh, it does say updates available. Just downloaded them. That's just, it doesn't look like anything that would be. Wait. Oh, it's installing them, but it'll probably have to reboot when it's done. I have no idea why my integrated graphics would just randomly stop working overnight like that, but it did.
Top 50 that so far. Coming down.
Buttery nipples. What's up, man? They will hopefully do well. I'm going to drop them probably in the fall when construction dies off. Yeah, I did. It's funny. I actually noticed that they were, or I noticed that one of them was a construction stock. I don't really know what most of the tickers are. Which one did I know? Well, obviously I knew steel, but there was one other one that I knew. Oh yeah, KBR. I don't know any of these other ones. Granite Construction. KBR, I think I've traded in the past. That's the only reason I remembered it.
Ooh, put your seatbelt on, D.
See if we can get on 55, man.
SPCE, urgent electric down there, $55, very heavy full activity now. SPCE, Andy Papa Charlie Echo.
I had to take it off there. Slight mistake on that. Mistake I just added to it and didn't break the 55s. Oh. Actually, can't break the 55 isn't too little big. Oh, there she goes. Oh. That hurts. That hurts. Nerves. Oh, she's whippy there, that man. That's a little scary. He is getting a little scary. Look at this CHMA. What is this thing doing?
CHMA. Looks like they're camping out at the beach.
What?
It jumped up, but it never pulled back. So I'm actually waiting to see it take off.
CHMA?
Yeah.
Yep, same here. I'm waiting for it to go through 5. I was hoping for one more trade. Infrastructure. Was your BIOS see an update? I don't know. I mean, I haven't updated my BIOS since I bought the thing.
It'll take 6 months to throw it out the window.
So maybe, I don't know. Got out of BTC at 57K, thank God. Looking for reentry at 20K. BTC, I just looked at BTC. I guess CHMA said screw you.
Yeah, it sure did.
Oh, you're saying Bitcoin. I'm an idiot. I was thinking BTX. That's why I was confused.
CRCT stock in
Yeah, kind of effed me on that, but I made money on all of it, so whatever.
Nice, man.
Damn.
20K? That'd be interesting if it gets there.
Decent deck.
BB, Blackberry, January 24th sweep now on BB.
Space has to be shorted. I mean, it's not even up to all-time highs yet. Is Space's all-time highs this like 62 whatever?
Yeah, it's coming up on all-time highs.
Yeah, 62, 77-ish area. Guess that's kind of far away still.
The way it's trading, man, I don't know. Just dumped down. A little sleepy, man.
It's MSI, I think. Yeah, it's like the MSI Z270, I think is what it is. Let's see. Actually, let me make sure. Let me go to my hardware monitor real quick. Just to make sure that's the right one. MSI Z270. BIOS.
over here, and they coming.
It's just weird though, because why would it have been working one night with no updates or anything, just randomly stop working? That's the part that confuses me.
I mean, dude, basement.
Gave back a little bit on that last one.
On the ad, no, I made money on all of it, even on the roll.
It's not loading the support page for it.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
It's the M7 though. I don't have the M7.
Trying to go back in with it, or add into it. It was just going back down towards that average, and I was like, nope.
Improved USB compatibility. I feel like the one time I updated my BIOS, I like absolutely regretted it on one of my old computers.
A little more wiki here, so it makes me a little more skeptical. Every time it just breaks through and goes.
This doesn't look like I don't have the A Pro.
Breaks through and goes 3 times in a row. This time it went up there and wicked down.
It's just the Slide Plus. Z270 Slide Plus.
Gotta be an end to this madness.
Are you telling me I should jump in short?
No,
here we go. Yeah,
Yeah,
same. It's the same update. I'll have to check that out. Can you believe I was long IKNX on the last spike at 1350? Today morning I sold all for 1650. I'd put a good to order at 30. I know nobody would believe me. Did it get to 30? IKNX. Oh, it didn't. It didn't get there though. Is it way easier? That's probably why I had a really bad experience updating my BIOS one time. So I've never done it again because I've never had to. I've never had to worry about it. But maybe I will try it because like when I plug it in now, and I made sure it was enabled in the BIOS, which it is, it doesn't even like beep, you know, the like do 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 do, like when you plug something in, it doesn't even do that now. So it's not even trying. It does detect it in Device Manager though, which is a little interesting.
No, push. Oh, this thing's gonna squeeze hard, dude.
Device is working properly.
Yeah, I'd love to see that big FOMO squeeze for you.
Yeah, I just got a feeling it's probably not gonna let me do it with me in it.
It says no conflicts. I don't know. The driver that's on that is from September of 2020, so less than 1 million float. Was waiting for the squeeze since May. Oh jeez. That's awesome though that you got some of it. Some of it's better than none of it. Yeah, more. You had to do so many things. It was annoying.
Getting close to
you had to like.
float.
Yeah, it was just a pain.
Take the exit again. They're fun.
In a good way or a bad way?
They're fun, man, in a good way.
Oh, okay. You having a good day?
I was hoping for one more trade. We ain't getting it.
Traded the crap out of space.
Hey.
I think I'm getting to that point though where I feel like I shouldn't be trading anymore.
What are you, 17 for 17 today?
What are my win rates? saying?
Yeah. 17 trades, 17 winners.
Let's see. Alright, I don't know how to calculate how many trades this is. Tickets are a lot. I don't know how many trades it is.
EXPR might get a 7.20
Probably like
run there.
15 trades, maybe 15. And I've had one loser out of here.
Nice. I scraped and scrapped my way up for a few hundred. Hello.
I'm trading.
Hold on 1 second. Grab these. Thank you very much. Can you give me the other one also? Oh, such a big helper. Thank you.
All the dogs are napping, that's good.
I grabbed some TTD, and then where's the other one that I traded? The one that was in the $9 one. What was that? Which one was that? ATOS?
ATOS. Yeah.
Yeah, I grabbed a little bit off of that too.
You shorted TTD?
I did.
Thing really doesn't
I didn't
look
get
that
nearly as much as I could have.
I hope you shorted it at the top.
77s down to 76s.
Nice.
I didn't get as nearly as much as I could have. I didn't lose nearly as much as I could have.
Believe it or not, I think space is going to like 58-ish. It is.
I don't know.
It's getting weary.
Not looking at anything right now.
EXPR.
I gotta go to Best Buy and return a television. I called them, like, oh, it's only a 15-day return policy. They said it's brand new in the box.
You bought that TV and didn't like it?
No, that's amazing. Okay. Those I'm gonna return at the end of the summer. After I'm done using them.
So you do like did you buy the TV?
The 32-inch ones, yeah, those I got. But I bought one from Best Buy, and I wanted to get a different one. So now I got to go fight with them to see if they'll take it back and exchange it.
I'm getting sleepy. I think it's break time for me.
Break time? You've been up for like, what, 2 hours?
I'm up since 3 in the morning, man. Effing dog. I don't want to be up until 4.
Order filled.
And plus I was up at 1:30 with her. I was up at midnight with her.
And you say you don't want another kid. Come on.
Don't want another kid. Fuck this. And I like dogs more than kids. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break, guys.
See ya.
I'll be back in a little bit. Did not be looking at screens for 2 seconds. Dash, if you're gone, love you, man. Bye.
Yep. All right, man. I mean, I'll stop back in at some point. I'm just doing stuff around the house.
Where are you going?
Nowhere. Just said I'm doing stuff around the house.
Okay, good.
My oldest is home today though, and my wife is leaving soon.
You're watching EXPR.
I'm in it.
She's been threatening that for years. She's not going anywhere. Especially after yesterday.
Nah, she's got some stuff she has to do.
What's his name?
Haha. Steve.
I was gonna say, where is DT?
EXPR.
He likes those lunch brunches with the women. No, I'll pass. I had one Amanda already. I'm good.
Order filled.
I don't know why it does that. Gives you that like random pop-up.
Order cancelled.
You in this too, Thomas?
Yep, at 41.
Oh, nice. Much better than I.
ATOSO baby.
Order cancelled.
Hello, boys.
Feeling better?
Oh, the
Order
painkillers
cancelled.
did, yeah.
Order filled.
I'm not gonna trade today though. I tend to
Take half off there,
shit.
just to be safe. Could tell it was struggling.
Order cancelled.
See if we can actually get a decent hold here. Try for the 7 retest. Maybe we'll try to front run this 9 just a little bit, in case it wants to flush and bounce off of there.
Break down, you bitch.
You mean GBA or expert?
Yeah, EXPR.
Yeah.
Rail's getting a real nice pop for y'all. RAIL, but it's on SSR.
Cost popping
Meme
up?
stocks are taking off. KOSS.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I haven't seen that one in a while. EXPR looks heavy, it just needs to break.
EXPR dollar on way.
Oh, we gold and he done spoke.
Order cancelled.
There it was.
Order filled.
It missed me by 2 cents. I took half of it off and put the stop at it. See if we can't ride this back down there to that 7. Go 698. We'll look for the 7 flow. Actually, we'll just do 701. I'm gonna fight over pennies at that point. Actually, be right back.
I don't think you guys were here, but yesterday I said it was gonna hold rail overnight, not paper. I'm down $277.
That didn't work out too well.
It didn't work out. Luckily, it's on paper.
ATOS, can I get a F yat? Green.
It's making its way back up.
Hoo-hoo. At B1. Like finally green or hell yeah green. Yes. LOL. Hella yeah no.
ATOS finally fell over, huh? Definitely gonna probably test that 850 now at this point. So I'm hoping EXPR will test that 689 previous high. You got leftovers, Thomas?
Yeah, I'm rotting. Leftovers.
Yeah, same here.
I got a wish order at 661.
Oh, damn.
That flash crash.
That would be a flash crash, alright. I'm just front running the whole dollar here. Not looking to get too greedy.
I gotta take profit, you know, stop at 731 right now.
Hey, that's my average. You trying to squeeze it so I get slippage, you jerk?
No DT today?
Yeah, did he say he wasn't going to be here?
No, he's online.
I have to check in with him later.
Might have drank again.
How much would I give back? Yeah, I don't think I want to give any back on this. We'll move this down to our break even. If our average is a little bit higher, and maybe even with less shares, because this is technically 25%. If I only had the 10 shares, or I'll just say the 10% of the position, I would probably have no problem letting it go to high of day, but I feel like we would give back a little too much by doing that. This is kind of the bounce we were expecting, but we're just hoping it gets rejected pretty quickly and then continue down.
You don't know them, Tim?
Yeah, I don't know that company.
They're huge on the West Coast.
Are they? Yeah, I've never heard of them. Over here, we don't really have like big granite companies. It's just like little mom and pop type shops usually that deal with all that.
It's just like this all-encompassing construction company that deals with highways and all that.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got you. I got you. Well, KBR, they're not around here either. I've traded them before. That's the only reason I know who they are. All right, there's your little relief bounce. I was expecting you. Now it's time for you to go lower. $27 was a little too close for comfort. I was only hoping it was a smidge over 20. If we can get back down to 15, though, we'll definitely probably get that $7 test.
Seems like the volume's just decaying on it. Not
Yeah.
EXPR.
Yeah, it literally had the same bid and ask for a second there. Yeah, the volume decaying is actually probably a good thing. It just means on that bounce, nobody really cared.
You just might be in it for a while.
Yeah, I lowered my stop to break even as well, which is 731. So
IKNX, if anyone measing with it, fingers crossed being reasonable there. Ultra small float, super sketch.
geez, IKNX is a crazy one. If it gets back through 27 here on EXPR, it's probably going to make a pretty decent move to the upside. Yeah, look at that IKNX. That thing's stupid. So what we really need is to get back down to 713. That's the key.
What are we making money on?
Me and Thomas have leftovers in EXPR at the moment. Just out of curiosity, Steve.
A while ago?
Yeah, I got in and out earlier, but it ran again.
Okay, because I know that you were in that with ATOS at the same time. That was like an
Yeah.
hour and a half ago.
Yeah, it was a while ago. But it went high of day and ran again, so got in again. Do you have shares on IKNX?
Hold on a second, and I will check.
We do not.
Oh, there's that 27.
MLSS stalking it.
What are you watching?
We're in EXPR, me and Thomas. Just leftovers at this point, though. Looking for it to reject and go lower, but...
KTV there.
What happened with this IKNX?
Yeah, I was just talking about it.
Low down, but I'm like, I started looking at the market. There's a lot of stuff moving. Makes me feel like I shouldn't be walking away.
Come on,
The
fleshy,
answer,
fleshy.
sir, is E-Trade does not have shares.
Fleshy, fleshy. Fleshy, fleshy.
That's it. Break that 17, bitch.
13.
Come on.
Yeah,
I don't know
13.
Oh, 13.
I don't know if you heard me. There's no shares in E-Trade.
Yeah, I heard you. Thank you.
Okay.
I was just curious because it's going a little cray-cray.
On what stock?
IKNX. We were talking about that right before you came in.
Oh, okay.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Break it. Break it.
Oh wow, ATOS. I should have played you a little bit better. Which one of you guys called 980 on ATOS exactly?
It was probably me.
Well done.
I'm just kidding. It wasn't me. ATOS was annoying, man. I was at... Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
EXPR?
Yeah, it's trying. There we go. That's what Thomas is trying to do.
Oh, you got your leftovers? Where'd you guys get in at that you had leftovers already?
I'm at 731. Thomas is 741.
What are you watching? More?
About to take it so I can just go start working on these stupid chairs.
What is it?
GVA. It's slow moving.
I feel like if I see like 16 or 17 again, I'm probably gonna.
Charlie talking about stuff, and I'm looking at stuff on my phone, and I'm like, why am I laying down right now? I'm a little tired, but
I'm
tradable tired.
I'm bullish on anything infrastructure today.
Just reject.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, maybe.
I couldn't tell you when infrastructure started.
I say more. You have to realize.
Pop up on my scanner.
I was gonna say you have to realize we have dumbed this down so much that we do not have to. I don't even know the companies I'm trading 99% of the time.
Yeah.
I'm bullish or bearish on what's moving.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I totally get that, but just because of the infrastructure bill that the government's pushing now, infrastructure should do pretty well in the long run.
If I was a swing trader, I'd be looking for it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Because I've got an IB account that I swing with.
Yeah. At this point, Devin's longest swing right now would be about 4 hours, because he'd be out by 3:30.
4 hours would be an insanely long trade.
Just want that flush down.
That I was in for like an hour.
Get down through 09. Pretty sure we can get the 7 test.
I've been in this thing for a long time, guys.
If you were to trade for 4 hours, our ears would be bleeding with you complaining about it.
I just Googled it.
Just roll already, come on.
Like, infrastructure.
Should have did it. I was gonna do it.
Literally bleeding.
10 cents, another 10
Give it to me one more
Why
time.
don't I just go 40? Give it to me now.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah, there it is.
All right.
Take it. I took it there. It missed me by a penny.
Let's go for a ride to Union City.
Oh, these dogs are so sweet.
I'm gonna do the pivots.
Pivot.
Hey, Devin. Not Devin. Besh. Are you near Cockeysville, Maryland?
No, but I know where it's at.
Cocky.
Yeah.
How do you pronounce it? Is it Cockeysville?
That's
or
right.
Cockeysville?
That's Cockies. You're right.
I don't know what you're talking about. Besh is the mayor of Cockeysville.
And I thought Buttsville, New Jersey was bad.
That's pretty bad. That's worse than cocky, because cocky just means you're freaking full of yourself. Buttsville.
No. This is
661 flush. 661 go. Go for Thomas. Oh, I would have got filled.
I actually took it off, Tim. I'm trading the pivots now, so I'm just chasing it down.
I don't know why. You just sounded like a sportscaster.
I don't know. Even if I was trading pivots, I'd still have like a FU order out there.
Little fucknuts.
Every time I go try and do a FU order, I mess it up and end up taking profit.
Like another.
That one put me over goal, so I'm pretty happy with it.
Dude, I have been over goal almost every day this week. I think there was one day. Yeah, the first day.
I think if I wouldn't have made that dumbass trade at the close the other day, I might have been pretty close to scaling up.
No, I think I can technically scale up. I was doing your platform, but I'm not. Maybe I should though. I don't know. I don't know how to fucking scale up, dude.
It's actually a really, to me it's actually kind of genius.
I feel like
But
the 1 week thing, it doesn't really make sense because that doesn't mean you traded bad that week.
Yeah, but your should be different because like once you get to a higher level that you're actually really comfortable with, maybe do like a month. But for me, I'm at such a small size, like I'm looking to scale up. Like I want to scale up. So doing it per week is a little bit more logical until I get to a position where I think it's okay to kind of slow down a little bit.
When you say scale up, do you mean like your full position size is up?
I'm doing my goal for the day. So like I was at 30, I went to 40, and then scaling up next I'll go to 50.
Scaling up, you mean you're scaling up your goal, not your size.
Well, my size goes with it.
Okay.
This is why it's a little different between the way that we trade, because like I said, you use the same share size a lot for most of the tickers that you trade, where no matter what ticker I trade and what price it is, I'm using equivalent size to make around the same amount on every ticker.
So you don't use the same share size?
Not even close, no.
How do you,
Yeah.
How do you
Mine's, it's based off the range. It's based off the range of the move.
Bigger range,
So,
smaller size?
yep. Yeah, so like if it's $2 move, just for an example, like say I would take 25 shares, but if it's a 20-cent move, I would take 100 shares, kind of thing. Does that makes, I mean, it's actually more, I think more than that. Well, maybe, I don't know.
I could not trade how you're trading for so many reasons.
It's actually really easy once you have a system in place.
Yeah, I just would have to think too much, and I don't like to think.
There's actually no thinking. That's what hotkeys are for.
I like to just push buttons. I'm like, button,
That's
button.
literally all I do is double click and push a button.
Is it?
Yep.
So you created like, so you must have created buttons that know.
Well, yeah. I like so look at EXPR for instance. So EXPR, when it made this move through the 690 and it ran, I always use VWAP. I just double click on where VWAP is currently, and then I will hit my load button, and it'll tell me around the amount of shares I should be at if I want to make the full amount that I'm looking for on that trade, which right now
Still pretty slow.
at $40, I'm looking to make my goal in 3 trades. So I divide 40 by 3, and then I times that by 2, and that gives me the full move. Because most of the time when I'm looking to enter a trade, I'm looking to get half of that trade back to make what I want to make. So if I make an entry and I get half of the move and I take it profit right there, I should have 1/3 of my goal if everything goes perfectly.
I gotcha.
And then that way, no matter if it's a $2 stock or a $200 stock, it'll always be that way.
I gotcha.
Yeah. And it's like I said, the hard work of actually putting the system in place and figuring out all the keys and stuff like that is, can be daunting. But once it's there, it's actually really easy.
Yeah.
And that's why people will pay me in the future.
What people what?
That's why people will pay me in the future. They'll pay me for these keys to trade just like me.
Hopefully you make enough that you don't even need that.
Charlie, yes, I do have a max loss every day. It's 6x my goal at any given, whatever my goal is, just times it by 6, and that's what my risk is.
There's another reason I could never trade your strat. I've told you that before. That's just too much.
You just said you were down like $500 in one trade not that long ago.
I was down over $1,000 in a trade not too long ago. That was a bad trade.
Yeah, per trade, Charlie, it's the same. There's no per trade for me. It's all linked together. But I will tell you, the closest I ever get to max loss, like right now, it's $240 at a $40 goal. I mean, the closest I've ever gotten to that, I think, is like $120 or whatever that loss is that I took. Was it a couple weeks ago? Like I rarely get to that because of the sizing that I'm at, but it's there as a just in case, like so I don't become that deer in headlights and go crazy. It's more of a protection.
I never want to be more than 1 day in the hole.
Yeah, and I get that.
To be 6 days in the hole, that puts me behind on a month. That's going to put me behind on what I'm going to take. If I need cash profit at the end of that
What's
month
that?
now. And to me, that
I am almost done,
damper
yes.
on my, it makes me, feel secure in my trading. And I rarely ever have a max loss.
Velociraptor.
But I really don't want so much money.
Or how about Bumpy? You already drew Bumpy? Can you wait until I'm done and then you can show me? Because I'm not going to be in here, so we can do some stuff together. Daddy has to put those chairs together.
Bills, that's a harder thing to do, which is what I do.
Yeah, I would agree.
Yeah. I agree with you.
Max loss, I can't put myself in that position.
I mean, yes and no. Again, it's all it's all a system. So no matter what system works for you.
Yeah, I mean, if it works for you, then great. If you could still pay your bills at the end of the month and do that, then perfect. If you were working to pay your bills, but that's kind of where we do differ. Is I'm working to pay my bills.
I mean, for now. I mean, I do, like, that's why I do the YouTube and the affiliations and stuff like that. Like, that is me working to pay bills. Like, I pay for daycare and, like, I pay for things with stuff that I earn through trading, whether it's through trading itself or through the other work that I do. Like, it's all work, essentially.
Yeah. Well, trading this is what I do. This is it.
Yeah. I'm not saying it's not hard. I agree with you.
So at the end of the day,
I'm talking to my friends.
I couldn't put myself over a week in the hole.
Okay.
It's just not. Is that your kid?
Hey,
Yeah.
what's up with me?
Who else would it be?
Yeah, hold on.
Yo, kiddo.
Hold on, guys. He can't hear you. All right, now he can. Cat, say hi again so they can say hi. You hear him?
What's your favorite dinosaur?
Who's your favorite dinosaur? Or what kind of dinosaur? Since Bumpy, I don't know, what kind of dinosaur is Bumpy? Just what's your favorite? You don't need to tell me.
Bumpy is, well, I don't remember what Bumpy was.
Yeah.
My favorite dinosaur is Malik.
Oh yeah. Which one? Which one is that?
Malik.
Can you? What does he do? Oh, one of those.
Malik.
It's the, I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's the one that has the plate on its head and rams it headbutts.
Triceratops.
No.
Is it like a triceratops?
Yeah. It's here, I'll give you the spelling. PACHYCEPHALO SARS. It's like, say it again, Bray. Yeah, I guess that's close. Stick. E. Marek. Okay. Maybe it's one that I don't know. I don't think I've seen that one.
All of it.
I'm gonna run over to the house just to make sure the pipes are okay. I'll be back.
Okay. Jurassic World.
It's not rummy where it all.
Mine's Stegosaurus. Quite boring.
Relatively speaking, yours is only like 4 syllables. His is like 9.
I feel like Stegosauruses were like the turtles of our modern era, or of their era. I'm just saying, like, they're there to get, like, harassed and eaten, and they can't really do anything. Yeah, it's like a turtle in its shell, but they have spikes. It was like the same thing.
I've been waiting.
Can I ask why you walk around harassing turtles?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! He's a ticklish dinosaur. He's a ticklish dinosaur.
You ain't at me back.
I'm not hitting you. You're running into my hand. I'm not hitting. You're just running into it.
Now let me at my
So, stick. More. Ick. Sticky moric.
No, more.
Sticky more. Ick. Sticky moric. Sticky moric. Is that from Dino Dan? Oh, okay. So that's probably why I haven't seen that before.
It all on the movies.
It's in the movies too.
Yeah, but it all movies.
The Jurassic World ones. Are they? What about Compy? Is he from Dino Dan or in Jurassic World?
Both.
Oh, he's in both too.
Yeah, they in both.
Okay. Why don't you go do something and let me finish up?
We will make more vinyl it was.
Yeah.
But what you want me to make next?
How about a Compy?
I already made it on me. It already hanging out in my room.
Yeah, I know. How about a Stegosaurus? He's the real long, he's kind of fat with the spikes on top. He's got spikes all the way down his back. And his tail.
Mine made that already.
Yeah, you're right. I didn't know that. You drew it so good at school. I was excited.
Yeah, I'm my own good at wall and vinyl. Yeah, but what when you made?
I don't know.
We made at UX, but what we made?
I don't know. How about you just think of one and draw it? Because you know more dinosaurs than I do at this point. How about the real little guys that run around? What are they called?
What little guys?
The ones that look like velociraptors, but they're really tiny. Are those Compies? Is that what they are?
Me bee little ones?
Yeah, the real little ones.
Like bee little?
They're really little.
Well,
they're
those
probably
aren't me then.
Those are Compies? Okay, I thought they might be.
The littlest vinyl or ever aren't these.
They're the littlest ones?
Yeah. The littlest vinyl or ever live.
Wow.
The littlest vinyl. I mean, a pot one like all the eggs?
No, you're right. The Compies. That's the one I was thinking of.
What?
How about a Brachiosaurus?
I already made that one.
You already made that one too? How about a T-Rex? Have you made a T-Rex? Oh yeah, I remember you made the T-Rex with the giant trees.
Yeah.
And
a big
it is little arms. I got a big head with little hands.
I'm not doing that. I'm like one bit up.
You waving at yourself?
What is that little number?
What is what?
That little number.
That's this camera right here. See, look. See that his hand?
Think me.
Yes, they can see you. If you can see yourself there, that they can see you.
I would skip that day if I were you, man.
But it might mean that.
Is mommy still here? Or did mommy leave? Yeah.
Mommy, you will.
Okay. She must be getting ready to leave. No, don't touch it.
What is that?
That's the plug that makes the microphone work.
Mommy bet already leave.
Yeah.
Oh God, Arnold's back.
My bow bet my all. You owe
Yeah.
you.
Go ahead. Because Daddy's gonna go to the bathroom real quick, and then I'm gonna finish up.
I'm gonna bet my line on EXPR and then over you and you and a bet when you all at my bench off. Okay.
So after cleaning the coils in the fridge seems to get colder, but the freezer does not. It's a Kenmore Elite. But I also found out there's a class action lawsuit that went down against Kenmore / LG because they're basically the same thing. That they lost because they were putting faulty compressors and they knew it into my fridge is one of them, but unfortunately the owner before didn't do anything about it.
My back.
Back?
Oh my goodness.
Drawing pictures. What's this one? Oh, it's upside. You're getting so good at drawing. Whoa, look at that one.
Bit more bumpy.
That's bumpy?
Yeah.
Where's his tail?
I've been all it over. Rainbow bit when rainbow bit it all.
Kind of a big hug. You just look extra huggable today.
My yeah bumpy eel.
Yeah.
My under ear belly bud in mommy room.
Yeah.
I iron it up.
Okay.
I will bumpy eel under that.
Okay.
I'm putting it over my button up. My eel under.
He's 5, Sammy. Thanks, Drew. Sorry, I didn't have the chat up. Tim Jr. My daily goal is $40 at the moment. So once I hit 200 on a week, I'll go up to 50. And then from 50, I think I'm going to go to 75. And then probably from 75 to 100. That's a big bag of crowns.
I got all my round and belly at my eyes.
Yeah. Are we going to get you that notebook tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
My one ate it like a own day.
You know what we could look for?
What?
They actually make special notebooks just for drawing.
I want a notebook.
You know what it is?
What?
So instead of a notebook where it has pages, where it has all the lines on it, it's a notebook with a bunch of pages with no lines on it. So you can just draw.
I want a notebook.
That sounds pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, say we'll get you one of those. Bumpy's tail.
What does bumpy eel look like? What does bumpy eel
It's like straight out, and then it has the big like rock on the end. Basically, it looks like a big rock. Yep, just like that. And then that's what he hits everybody with. And it has like little spikes on it. Yeah, it got like little spikes on it.
Like that?
Yeah. Remember, like when he hits them, it makes them run away because they hurt. Bingo. B-N-G-O. B-N-G-O.
My older puppy AO.
Look at that. That's perfect. I like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is what you want to eat all my other violins.
Yes, I do.
This is ops.
Ooh, that's a good
That
Triceratops. Yeah, I see the 3 horns.
This one is a Malik.
Ooh, that's what this one is? A sticky morik.
This is 8 and this is a butt.
Oh, that's his headbutt?
This is a butt.
Yeah, I see it.
And that is an 8.
That's his face.
You know what the other one is? It's my
It's not a compy? No, I don't know what it is.
It's an L battle. L battle, wait. That is Albanian boat. L battle. You they never, they is built old eyes.
That's their full size? So are they bigger than compies though?
Bella and eyes.
Are they the same size?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're almost just as small, huh?
They'll,
Is that you?
no, that is a one with a one.
Oh, the Brachiosaurus?
Yeah, Brachiosaurus. My up one making it over Eve.
Yeah, so Brachiosaurus, you can also just call him a long neck, because he has a really long neck. That's some people just call him long neck.
There is a big iron lion.
Is that a pterodactyl?
No.
Oh, what is it? It looks like he has wings. Are those not wings?
Yes.
Oh, they are? It's just called something else?
Yeah. Other one with isle.
It's another flying reptile?
Yeah.
Let me see. Do you remember the name of it?
Equal on L battle it, but you'll not name that. Equal on L battle it, L battle, but they eat fish.
Oh,
meat.
They eat fish and not meat. Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
And that is a fish.
That's a
They
fish.
got-
Oh, he's got a fish in his claws?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Let me see. Flying dinosaur that eats fish. A Microraptor? Is that his name? Or is it a pterodon?
Maybe an animal barn.
I think it is pterodon.
Yeah, or the purple and everything.
Yeah, let's see.
They eat all wet aisles. They're all wet aisles.
It says he's one that eats fish. Let's see. Let's click this.
That's not purple. They is purple.
It doesn't. They don't have to be the same color.
No.
Isn't it crazy to think that there was things like that on the same Earth that we live on?
Wow.
That's so cool.
That would be good.
It says it's as big as a giraffe.
I know.
That's crazy. There's a Brachiosaurus. There's a little baby Brachiosaurus. Look how big he is. Oh no!
He ate a baby Brachiosaurus.
That must not be a real... It must not be the one we were thinking of. That would, only a pterodactyl would do that, right?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what
Oh,
they were
baby
saying.
ate that. Oh.
You mean poor baby Brachiosaurus?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was kind of mean, huh? He just went up and ate them. He wasn't even doing anything. Poor guy.
black you all then an EM.
I know.
And the AM.
I know.
Yeah.
That was so sad. I can't believe he's that big and he can fly. That's crazy.
Yep, it is. They might that other bait. All of them are purple.
Oh, yeah.
They are only that.
They're so big.
All of them are purple.
They're all purple.
Yeah, they are only like that.
Let's see. Purple flying dinosaur. Maybe Barney will come up.
They'll look that way.
It says a pterodon.
Yeah, it's an airborne.
Yeah. So maybe that one was just somebody might have just made that video up. It wasn't what really happened. Yeah, I think it's a pterodon.
It might be an airborne. Yeah, it's really an airborne.
Okay.
But you wanna, what else do you want me to roll? Edible one and edible one in my room. You didn't roll any weeds, but you didn't roll any either weeds.
How about
that? One of those.
Yeah.
I didn't roll that one.
The Spinosaurus?
Yeah.
Alright, how about that one? I'll leave these right here. Okay.
And then when my bud on that my own build it a more for.
Okay.
More.
Sounds good.
But it might
No, not right now, because I'm about to get up. EXPR going back to high day.
Yeah, you roll it up.
You want me to do what?
Roll it up, but I
Oh, pull the picture up?
Yeah, that one.
There you go.
Oh, good.
He's purple and he's got a red, the spines are red.
Yeah. We back up. Oh, when my butt on the iron.
I was not, but I'm about to pull it up.
We there.
It's up. Okay, I'll leave it up. Oh, what's this thing doing?
I got red and purple. What does 8 look like? What did I look like?
Here, let me see if I can pull up a bigger picture.
Yeah, my what did I look like?
So this is a different color, but
oh,
there you go.
What?
It looks like he's got green eyes.
What? Like green and white and black.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what about little bait it or the die? Roll up a bait it or die.
Go to the other picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is
It's hard to see. Let me see if I can. Oh, there we go. Make it a little bigger.
But like white and red. Easy. White and red. Oh, you only beat others.
Yeah.
I are white and red.
I see that. Oh, yeah, he's got a little red on his like nose area.
I think mine out on that one.
Yeah. Alright, Daddy's gonna just export this. I'm gonna do a couple things and then I'm gonna get off here, okay?
Then you me?
Well, I'm gonna put those chairs together like I told you I was gonna do earlier.
And then you will me.
Yep, and then we can do whatever.
And then you then you will work on 8.
Yeah, we can. Oh, well, yeah. How about we'll get tape tomorrow at Walmart?
But we need 8 and up.
I know. That's what I'm saying. We'll get it tomorrow.
Yeah, but my always made fun of it or Ellen.
Well, you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to hang them up.
But my ear that. And how about you a little bit? How about you a little bit? You got little bits.
We don't have any tape to hang them up, bud.
No, I ain't. It'll leave it you a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Down eels.
Gotcha.
A little bit late. Wait will the eel there. Wait will my wood bot and then wait will my wood bot is. Wait what eat my wood bot and then on that way, Daddy.
Okay.
Wait in my wood bot and then on that way. Hey, Daddy.
Okay.
Let me be in what you and then on that little bit. I will vote on in August. What am I doing?
No problem.
I
am going to get out of here, though.
Out my bun wall and it back. I will always and you will that little and let over mine or that ain't out my bun wall and it.
Yes. Yes.
Remember, when you beat you a little bit.
Okay. All right, I am going to get out of here. Look for the recap a little bit later. We are doing the Friday night live stream tonight, so be here for that. Feel free to come hang out in the Discord. Message me on Twitter if you have any questions. If not, have a great weekend. I will see you Monday morning if I don't see you tonight. We are probably going to possibly play some poker tonight as well after the stream. It's free, but we do try to take it a little bit serious. So if you want to be there for that, feel free to stop by. And I think that's all I got. So I appreciate you all being here. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will hopefully see you guys later. If not, have a great weekend. Peace.